guys, so in today video we are seeing how we can get that much followers with using the workflow like this. So this workflow create automatic videos for us and upload on social media. Let's see the result first. So this is Abni Arohi, popular influencer. You are seeing this, they have around 619k followers. The model is AI generated and they are creating 8 seconds reels and they are getting many views like 29 millions, 19 millions, 56 million, and you can see the videos here.
The tea, ask us anything जो भी आपके questions हैं.
Yes, हम आपके सारे questions का reply करेंगे next reel में. So comment below.
Guys, finally it's high time.
And the same thing we can do also with our this workflow. This workflow create automatic reels and post it on social media. So for that you just need to fill all details, like you can decide the character image here, you can and decide the topics, script and all. Just see the result that we have generated with this reel that I am generating now. Let's see here. So we trigger this. Now he is writing prompt. Now he is generating nano banana images. Now he is working on wait mode. Now they are generating videos with the VO3, and here you can see the video. So video is ready. Let's
Honestly, stop overthinking. Life gets better when you stop caring what people think.
this is the same model that we have give for this models. Like we can decide the image and the workflow create same character video. So in this way we get 8-second reels and we can upload it on Instagram and get that much followers. And this is the only one account, and we can do one more thing, like you can just decide the 10 or 12 or many character that you want. You just need to put the images here of your character, and after that you can run it and they will generate the video with that character. So this is our 8-second model. And if you are seeing in this channel also, like there is a no long video available, and we have solved this problem. So if you want to create a long videos greater than 8 seconds, so you can use this workflow. This workflow create 24-second reels, and for that you just need to do the same thing and trigger your workflow. After that this workflow create entire reel for you, and the reel will be a 24-second long. And wait, he's generating videos for us. He's generating images, and after that they generate a script and video. So we can see the video here also. So this is the result that we have generated.
You don't need to chase attention when you simply carry presence. That presence comes from deep self-work, boundaries, and inner alignment. When you respect your time, others learn to respect it as well. Think long-term always. Act with purpose and deep intention. Your future self is watching every decision you make today. Therefore, act with incredible intention, always.
So in this video you have got a three things, like there is the same character in every entire clip, and there is the same background that we have selected in entire video, and the same clothes. So you got three identity, so no one can detect your AI influencer as a AI model, and they will think it's a real. And you can see the here the same result that I'll show you previously. Yeah, here. So in using this workflow,
You don't need to chase attention when you simply carry presence. That presence comes from deep self-work, boundaries,
and using this workflow you can create 8-second reels, and there is no limit. You can create unlimited videos, and you can schedule it. And for schedule you can use this workflow. This is our social media auto posting workflow. Using this you can upload videos on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram automatically. You just need to schedule it, what time you want to publish these videos, and you can put all details on this. You can see all details, like here all videos are coming, and after publishing you get all the links, like this is YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and publish date. And here is you can manage the status, you can approve it, you can pending it, and you can upload. Okay, so this is our entire workflow for influencer. If you want to like create this type of influencer and get the millions of views and followers, you can use our this workflow, and you can get the same. So if you want this workflow and you want some changes or you want some customized workflow, you can contact us and we will do the same for you. Thank you.